Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking the Mastercard gift card details and your PayPal status. Make sure the card shows a balance and that you can reveal or set the 4-digit PIN. PayPal often needs this. Once you sign into PayPal, open Wallet and select Add a Card. Enter the full card number, expiry date, and CVV exactly as printed. Pause and verify the billing address matches the address tied to the card. Mismatches cause declines, so correct them now. Once the card is entered, PayPal may place a small temporary authorization to verify it. Expect a $1 or similar pending charge that disappears. If PayPal asks for the PIN, input the 4-digit code you confirmed earlier. Some gift cards require activation through the issuer before PayPal accepts them. If the card is declined, go to the card issuer's activation page or phone line, complete activation, and then retry adding the card in PayPal. Make sure the card is reloadable if planning repeat use. To finish, confirm the card shows in PayPal Wallet as added and test with a small purchase or by sending a minimal payment to yourself. If PayPal cannot use the card, contact the gift card issuer to confirm activation, available balance, and whether online merchants are allowed. If problems persist, make sure the billing address matches exactly. Try adding the card in a private browser or different device, or load a small amount onto a reloadable card before linking again. One key tip: check the issuer's terms for merchant restrictions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.